Today on the National Geographic Channel, we are going to explore the nutting habits of the giant panda. One of our experts in the field is going to attempt to force these pandas to sexually reproduce. Whether these pandas know it or not, there is nothing quite like a good nut.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to good old Australia. I'm on the hunt for the elusive giant panda. There's a problem in the giant panda community. They're no good at fucking. They get distracted by things. They don't know how to 69. It's a huge problem. We need to get these pandas to fuck. So I'm here with one of the local boys.
Views.
Is that your name?
Anything for views.
Well, anything for views. Do you think you can help me find one of these giant pandas?
Of course I can. Follow me.
I wouldn't fuck you if you were the last panda in the world.
I would fuck you with this stick,
and we're going extinct.
So where are we gonna find...
Fuck up, cunt.
Woo! Woo! We picked some milk, baby! Woo!
Check this out, anything. We got a net gun.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Anything's my dad's name. Call me Views.
Views, we got this net gun here. I think this would be the perfect thing to catch these pandas that don't know how to fuck.
I like your thinking.
I love being a panda. The fuck? Who the fuck are you?
Views, help me, Views!
What are you?
Views! No!
Views, what do you think of this? Well, I'm gonna throw it over my head and lasso them together. Do you think that'll work?
No, but you can give it a try.
Forgive me, DJ Tiesto, for I have seen you sign to
Oh, fuck. Views, what do I do? Help me! Views!
Where you from, nigga? What's that you claim?
America. You guys?
You like
Fucking from!
I've done research. I go to UCSD. I'm a student. I'm just here to make you guys fuck.
What's a student? What's a student? I hate bears in general. Aren't bears supposed to be like fat, gay human men? I don't know. What about you?
I hate big fucking tits. Hey, you like pussy? You like bear pussy? You got like a celebrity crush or anything?
Yogi Bear. You know why? Because not only is he stealing pies, the nigga probably give him cream pies as well. You know what I'm saying?
Are you like nutting?
Nah.
Yeah, either.
Whoa! What the? No! No, not again, not again! No! No!
These are the last two pandas left. We need to impregnate them. You look a bit like a panda. Do you think you can maybe fill this up just a little bit?
For science. I'll do it. I'll be the hero.
He needs some milk.
Bless your heart.
I love a good nut.
It's not right behind you.
Dude, I'm sticking my fucking horn stick. Yeah, it's fucking new.
I don't play like that. You know? I mean, you know how it is. Oh, fuck. It's that faggot's drone again. Come on, Brad. You're gonna do this every Tuesday.
No, I just want you guys to fuck. Listen to me. It's not like that. I just want you guys to fuck.
Every time. He's always trying to nut on my ass and shit. Fucking faggot. So fucking. I wouldn't fuck you if you were the last panda in the world.
I would fuck you with this stick,
and we're going extinct. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'll nut. Maybe I'll nut. I'll think about it.
I ain't fucking not you.